Hello paper crafters, I am happy to be back in my craft room. I am working on a kitchen page, cooking page, and all my pieces come from Cute Cuddly Designs. So I'm going to start off with this 11.5 by 11.5 paper from the open stock section at Joann's, and I'm going to top it with this wavy border that's got sprinkles on it. You can see that. And this is cut at 11.5 by 2 inches. I've been doing a lot of paper piecing lately, and so hopefully I can get down in here and do videos with them. My husband's out with the horses and my kids are down at my parents' house for the week, so I got quiet time for the first time in, what has it been, 3 or 4 months, whenever this coronavirus hit. Alright, so now I've got this 11.5 by ½ inch piece, and I'm just going to stick it behind this wood plank paper. This is blue gingham, which is from my scraps, and I thought, just go ahead and add it. I'm going to stick this right on here. And then I'm going to add this to the bottom of my page. And this wood plank just comes from one of my country paper pads. Get this lined up a little better. Okay. Next I have this oval circle that I cut out, and it's going to be down here as my rug. And this paper that I cut the rug out on comes from one of my boho albums, and it was cut in strips, so I just took one of the strips and turned it into an oval circle. Next I have my stove, and again this comes from Cute Cuddly Designs. My daughter, who's now 15, when she was 3, we got her a little kitchen. So I have pictures of her wearing an apron and a chef's hat, cooking on her little kitchen. Okay. And this is a very thick and heavy paper piece, so I'm just going to hold it here for a second in hopes that it will adhere well. Next I have my little girl. And she's cut at 5 inches, I believe. Yes, 5 inches. Okay. Next I have my photo mats. I'm going to put the smaller one down here and the little bigger one up here. And I'm just going to adhere those with my ATG. And then I have this title that it came with. It says, "What you got cooking?" And I'm going to put this down. I'm going to put it just slightly at an angle right here. And then I have these in my little sandwich bags. I don't want to lose them. I have little steam puffs that I'm going to put above the pot. If I can get it out. There we go. So let me get my tweezers, because these are fairly small. Oops, I put the glue on the wrong side. Let's see. I'm going to put it on the other side, and maybe I will put, I'll just see if I have some glitter glue or something on there. I'll make these steam puffs shimmer. Let me see. I inked them up in gray. Normally I leave my white, but because they had to do with cooking, I went ahead and did this. Okay. Let me see. I think I'm just going to do it with my silver, whatever this thing is called, I forget. You know, these glitter glue things. And that way they'll stand out more on my page, because they really are kind of blended in. And then I'll give them a little bit of a sparkle. All right. And that is my 12 by 12 What You Got cooking page. All right, have a good day, and I should be back soon with some more videos, so be on the lookout for those. And if you want to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click that little bell, and it'll notify you when I upload a video. All right, bye-bye.